here. Today I have an unboxing to show you, and this company is called Grabie. They reached out to me and wanted to know if I wanted to check out their August box. This would be a subscription box if you wanted to check it out. I will have links to their shop in the description box below. I will also have a discount code which I will put on the screen as well as in the description of the video, and you'll have all the links as well in the video description. So I think maybe last year I did an unboxing for them. They have a lot of different scrapbooking supplies. They have paint sets, they have art supplies, markers, stickers. You can buy things separately, or you can purchase things like this little box here with your subscription if you wanted to get one. And I noticed that their subscription boxes include a variety of items. So the first thing here that I am pulling out is the, I guess they're tags. And I like the color already. There's like a color theme happening, which I'm really happy about. These are nice and thick, and you can also see that there's some embossing on this paper. So the paper itself, the quality is really, really nice. And the tags have a little bit of embossing on them. I mean, it could be tags, journaling cards, labels, you know, you can make them into so many things. I will be coming back in a future video showing you how I've used some of the pieces. But for now, I thought I would show you their August box, which is the one they sent me. I do believe they're going to have a different one for October, which let me know if you wanted me to check that one out. I'm not always doing, you know, kind of Halloween style things, but I'm wondering if it will have maybe like a fall themed pieces to it. So this was a cute little hole punch, and I think it's even perfect for traveling if you wanted to do like a travel kit where you could have the paper punch with you. This is a double-sided dot adhesive, which is great. It looks like a pen, so I think it's yet another you know, great item for traveling as well. I think right now, I've checked their website recently and they are having a summer sale, so you could, you know, check them out if you wanted to. And as I said, I have a discount code if you're interested in using that as well. So here I just have some of the stickers that came in one of the envelopes, and I really like that they're sort of somewhat neutral. They can go with just about anything, and it's such nice designs that you could use in so many different projects. So again, this is one of the first envelopes that they included, and of course I love the envelope design. I think I could totally use that in another project when I'm finished with the items. And these are really nice. They are tabs, I guess, for pages. There's some like color swatch ones. There's some with some printed on them already, have something printed. And then you've got the ones where you could put a date, and more blank ones that are really neat. So this is like a really nice set to have for sure. Here we have another lovely envelope. I'm really loving these envelopes. They're just perfect to reuse when you finish with the items. I'm just trying to see if you can look at the stickers a little bit better if I have a white background to some of them. There's a little squirrel there. Some with number, more like collage looking. So I really like these. I like that they're also clear, and it's the kind of very neutral black and white theme, which again goes with just about anything that you wanted to create. So we have a few more envelopes, and this fabric. It feels like a binder, but we'll take a look at it in a couple minutes. So this envelope, again, it's nice and large. I love it. It has these cute little circles, some with the faces, as you can see. And I really like the colors of the circles. It's just really nice. Again, it's nice and neutral. And then these are more stickers. These ones have some gold foiling on them. They look really nice. And this one, love the leaves on it. It is such a nice envelope. This one has numbers with the, I guess, some floral design on them, which is really cute. I like the purple. So there is definitely a purple theme with this, which is lovely. And you just see the variety of numbers that they include. And this is more flower stickers, and I really like these designs as well. You can see it's a nice variety. And also they would kind of be clear on whatever you put them on. Of course, there's the shine of the sticker paper, but it's just lovely. And then this is the other envelope with smaller stickers, and this looks to be a coffee theme. There's some different types of desserts and tea and coffee and that sort of thing, I think. So this is really cute, especially if you're maybe you know, journaling about a coffee shop that you visited, or a coffee shop that you might want to visit. This is really cute to have these to be able to add. So now we have the larger envelope that was in the box, and wow, you can see it has a lot of goodies in it. Starting with these page border die cuts, or just, you know, you could use them in so many ways, but I really like the white and the cream color, and also the paper is quite thick, so it doesn't it won't bend, you know, and kind of be messy. So that's really, really nice. There's lots of little labels and just different designs here with these, which is also really nice. Always great to use these in collages, and you know, again, if you're journaling, you could add a little spot to a journal page that might otherwise not have a spot for you to journal on. And then you've got these really beautiful floral designs. And again, the purple stands out. The paper, you could, I think this is more for like collages. It's not a thick paper. It's like photocopy paper, but it is still really, really nice. And the images are nice and vibrant. Yet I think they have a bit of a vintage look to them, right? Have you ever had this box before? Have you ever seen the company? What do you think of it? Let me know, leave a comment below. And if you want to see more unboxings from them, also let me know, because in this way I can keep an eye out on, you know, what else they've got coming. I was thinking maybe even one of their art kits would be nice to check out. So here we've got these envelopes, different colors, already have the holes punched in them, and I believe these are going to be for this fabric kind of binder. I'm going to show you that in a minute. So I like the variety of colors, of course, so usable. You know, you can collage on these or use them as is. And then you've got this kit with the stickers. I'm not going to show you those because they're just they look like they're floral stickers with the same sort of color that we've been looking at. So this has a nice variety of papers, as you can see here. A lot of floral themes here as well. These are nice and thick. And these are thinner papers again. We've got some vellum paper that has designs on them, which is lovely. There's an envelope. And then this is oh, it looks like note paper, and I think it's like a thicker paper here. Let me show you there. So that's a different design on, oh, I love the birds. So this is a really nice design on both ends, and you could write a little note, and I guess this could be a nice stationery set. And then you've got these larger scrapbook papers that would be great to use in any project. All right, so I love this fabric. I love the design. It's flexible. You can see it's a binder style. I think I got it upside down here. So love how this has been designed. It comes with the paper that you can fill it up with. And of course you saw that it had the envelopes that I showed you before that go with it as well. And here's the list of what the Grabie August Scrapbook Club Box includes. As you can see, it's got a variety of items that I just showed you in here, and they list them out. And then they've got this nice little brochure or pamphlet that you can kind of get some more details on. And of course, once you're done with it, you can repurpose this and make something in your junk journal with it. So that's it, my friends. I hope you like this unboxing. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. If you want to see more of this Grabie shop, let me know as well, and I can check out what else they have and show you in case you want to check something out before you decide. Don't forget to use the discount code and check out the links I will leave below, and I'll be coming back soon to show you what I've done with some of the goodies. Thanks so much for stopping by.